Alright, so I have the bearing ready to go. I have the inside of the knuckle with anti-seize, so this thing should never stick again. And there's my bearing. I can put a description in the part number. Basically, it's a Koyo. Let's see if I can see it. Koyo Delta Alpha Charlie 3055 Whiskey. This is -3. My old ones don't say dash anything, so I don't know if it changed, it's a production difference or whatever. Anyways, this is the tool I'm using. The sun is horrible, so I apologize. It is a Astro tool. I'm missing part of it. I will get it. It's an Astro bearing press puller. Works great for cars. It doesn't have the right sizes for four-wheelers to pull it, but it does to press it in. So we'll give it a shot. I've been emailing them to try to see if they're interested in making smaller parts. So far, they don't seem to be, but who knows? Even if people will complain and ask them about it, they will make a 1/7/8 so we need. So this is the smallest plate they make, which luckily fits just inside perfectly. So let's see, very nice and smooth. That should be easy. It goes in pretty good. I cleaned all these out with the Dremel and polished them up a little bit, so it should be pretty good. Just in the spacer. Right back. Spacer. Alright, let's see what happens. I'm putting the impact wrench down a little bit just in case there's issues, but it should go in pretty smooth. I turn the power down a little bit. So maybe too much. Let's go to 3. Alright, 4 it is. Basically, you stop when it quits going in. You saw it quit turning. So basically, I'm going to check it, make sure the snap ring fits in, and it's good.